Hello and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking into how you can track your steps and exercise with Excel. So what I've got here is I've got a merge cell where I'm going to look to have the total number of weekly steps, and I've got another merge cell where I'm going to look to calculate my average weight for the week. And then below I've got the days, the steps that I've done on those days, and then also the weights on that particular day. So first things first, I'm just going to add in the steps for the week. So I'll just populate all these different cells. There we go. So I've just randomly populated the cells for the steps with some figures. And now what I'm going to do is simply calculate my steps for the week. So I'll simply do a sum function, highlight my steps. And as easy as that, we can see that I've done 36,000 steps for the week. Now, what I want to do next is work out the average weight for the week. So what I'm going to do is simply use the average function. Again, select my values. And as easy as that, I've now got my average weight for the week. What I'm going to do though here is I'm going to round it to 2 decimal places just so it's in the way I would like. So as easy as that, I'll use the round function, 2 decimal spaces, and there we have the average weight for the week. So 69.94 kilograms for my average weight for the week. So yeah, this is very easy to use and to maintain. You can add a lot more metrics to this, such as calories burned. You could also, I guess, put your starting weight for the week, and then take away what your average weight of the week is from that starting weight to see the difference of what you've lost or gained. And yeah, something very useful to do and very easy to do, and great if you're looking to track your exercise and track your weight loss or weight gain or whatever it might be. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.